Hey everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to be giving you an update on these pairs that we spoke about on our previous session. So, let us get into it. Now, the first pair that we spoke about was what Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So, now, guys, this one on the high time frame, this is how price is looking like. So, price previously came from what this impulsive movement up, and then this gave us what this side is corrective structure, which was acting as what as a continuation pattern whereby price broke out, reached the 90% roll, formed what the second correction, which was what in a form of what a continuation structure. This having what the higher probability of reaching what this area over there at the top. And then now dropping lower onto our what our mid-time frame. So on the mid-time frame, we saw price giving us what this corrective structure coming from this impulse correction impulse. And then this was what the overall corrective structure. This is how we saw it. So after this breakout, price was having what the higher probability of continuing to impulse all the way to the upside. And then now as we're moving on to what our lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, this is what I saw. So price came from what this impulsive movement, and this was acting as what as a corrective structure. And then this is how I saw it actually. This was like so, forming what this overall structure. And then I entered where in the breakout, placed my stops above and TP all the way to the upside. So price did take me in. So currently it's floating somewhere a small loss near break even. So I will move my stop loss to break even. If price does reach out this area over here, that's when I'll move to break even. Or if this does drop to hit my stop loss, I'll see if I can evolve this to be what a valid continuation, or if this will continue to drop all the way to the downside, making this whole entire structure invalid. So I'll just need to evolve this to be what a bigger expanding structure like so, to see whether this will drop up and continue to form what another breakout at the top like so. But for now, I'm still holding this one like so, waiting to see how the market will unveil, guys, because remember there's no expectations, guys, only preparation. So I did prepare to execute this pair according to my plan, and I did. So the only thing I can do at the moment is to wait and see how the market will unfold. So that is it on this one. And as for my backup pair, guys, as I did talk about what the US dollar over the Japanese yen being what my backup pair in case AUD JPY structure becomes invalid. So this is how I saw this overall price. Price came from what this impulsive movement up and then gave me what this ascending reversal, impulsing all the way to the downside. And then this was what a corrective structure, as you can see, whereby price broke out and is forming some kind of a retest. This is having a high probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. And then now is dropping into what the mid time frame. So the mid time frame, what am I seeing? Price did drop from what this impulsive movement and then gave me what this small corrective structure and then did impulse down. So I am seeing this as being what an overall sideways corrective structure, possibly something like this. I am waiting to see whether this will do what. This will break out all the way to the downside. So if it does break out, that is one on the low time frame. I'll focus on what on my entry pattern, which will be something along these lines. Clear impulsive movement down and then a small corrective structure all the way to the downside. But this one still far from playing out, but it's just what a backup pair in case what AUD JPY doesn't perform as I anticipated, the structure becomes invalid. That's when I'll switch my focus maybe possibly to this pair. But for now, the focus is still pretty much on AD and ZD. So that's the market update on this pair, guys. I will continue to give you an update on what on my next session, which will be on Friday. I'll continue to give you an update on that one. But for now, this is going to be the end of the session, guys. Hopefully, it was informative for you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.